Foggy morning this morning, guys. Driving to the bay. Service call.
Alright guys, had an older York Sunline package unit heat pump. Customer was complaining it was blowing cold air inside the building here. What I was getting power to my O terminal, which energizes the reversing valve, and I only need to energize the reversing valve in the cooling mode. Heating mode, it doesn't need to be energized, it fails to heat. So I went down and back of the thermostat and found the wire, the O wire was rubbing with one of the 24 volt R wire, and was energizing it. So went ahead and made a little wiring repair and got this guy back going. But just wanted to show you a quick video and tell you what was going on. But we got him back, got him some heat.